Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing video of some Lego. We got these minifigures. You can see. Yep. Nice. Camera. As you can see. Yep. There's the minifigure. Yep. I really want that one. Let's open her up. We got that one. That one. Yep. So the maker. See? Ta-da! And here's your little plushie thing. And here's the other little plushie thing. Yep. So that's one down. Okay. Oh, good. I could actually have these two. Here's your chocolate bar. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, next box. Oh, nice. I got this guy next. Him. That one. Yep. And there's the wolf. Ow! Ow! Yep. Oh, look at the cape. It's all furry. Ooh, look at this cape. It's like furry. It's like a furry cape. Nice. There he is. Yep. Now look at that cool looking sword. And there's his shield. Yep. I should get a pen so I know which ones I got. So that's two down. And now, third one. Oh, got a duplicate of this guy because I wanted to make Wolf Clan Army. Yep. Next, I got these. Wow. I got the Pirate Lady. It's this one. That's one. Yep. Pirate Lady. Pirate Lady. Oh. Oh, is it like one of those? I think it's one of those. I'm gonna put it in the. Yeah. is it? How does this work? Let's look. Yeah, it goes on the behind. Like so. There. Some-ish. That kind of worked. Now I make the other outfit. And there's the pirate lady. Just had to get on her little dress thing. It was a bit, not too hard, but just a little flimsy. But that's the pirate lady with her little cockadoo. Yep. This is the cutlass. Nice. Oh, nice. I got this guy. Oh, I got him. Yay. Now I just need a pen. I can mark the sleeping lady, the wolf guy, the pirate lady, and the steampunk guy for now. Okay, steampunk. Steampunk man. Yeah, steampunk man. Cunning instructions. This there he is. Yep, and there's his interesting steampunk related things. So good. He's a extra spare parts just in case. Yep. Okay. Oh. Interesting. I got Sprite Card Chick. It's that one. Yep. That one. Skateboard's a bit too bit too big for a skateboard, to be honest. Well, the skateboard should be a little smaller, but that's just me. There she is with her skateboard. Yep. Nice. Okay, who else did we get? Oh, another steampunk. So that's good. Oh, we got this guy. Where is he? We got this guy. We got him. Yep. The instructions how to make them? Nope. We got the book. Pick up. Oh. Squeeze me. There he is. Yep. There's the book. The spooky book. There's his spooky book. There it goes. There's his spooky book. Boo! And then it's pretty cool. Got a little writing in there. I like the book. It is an actual book. Okay, what is next? And I got... And hopefully this is my other... Yep. Other Wolfman. Nice. Next I got... Had to get... Telescope. Telescope girl with the pipe stroke cane. Yep. I like that afro too. Look at that afro fro. Okay, now I just need to make the telescope. And then I'm good. So you go here. There you go. Down. Yep, down. Like that. Yep. there. There we go. There's her telescope. Astrokic. Hi. There she is. It's good, actually. Okay. So now, well, anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. You guys take care. Bye bye.